Hello there people, welcome to another video of the Christmas by the Sea. Today is very windy, as you can tell with the microphone blaring out with the wind. Tonight is pretty much not that busy really, but the blasting out music and all that stuff still. And speaking of it being windy, I can't believe that actually, you know, the rides are open. Even the Starflyer is open as well. That's 80 metres. It was closed earlier for some reason, but I think it's because it's windy. So yeah, I think another storm's coming. So I'm guessing the ice rink is not open just yet. I think it might be next weekend that. So I have no idea why. Here's the dates on it. So yeah, that's the dates for the ice rink. So
to your right, it goes sort of up in the air and sends people upside down and around. What else? There's a young lady there who was looking at, I think it was two children who were riding the ship, Darlene and Wahid. I hope you're back to Earth safely by now. And if you are, I hope you enjoy this next song, which is going to remind you of your journey.
the snow slide is not open as well. So it's only the funfair rides open, and then, you know, and also the, you know, trampolines and all that stuff. So yeah, playing this song because someone's been on the booster and they've been spinning. But yeah, it's quite funny. So yeah, just a little quick update on the Christmas by the Sea. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again on the next one. Look at all this litter. Oh God. Come on, Castle.